Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Tinder error code 40003. The error reads, "Something went wrong. Please contact customer service for a new code." As per the research, the error comes when users try to log in. Some users have also shared that the error appears after confirming their Facebook account or while using a promo code. According to our research, this error may be related to account verification or the use of invalid promo codes. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device and try again. Once the device restarts, open the app and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the app. If there is any pending update, then install it and check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then try uninstalling and reinstalling Tinder. Once done, open the app and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still doesn't resolve, then contact Tinder support for help and explain the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.